Hagaji lang ki Menteri Sarkar MDA2 kabala lam khmat daw Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Konrad Kyonkal sangma kabala long ha ka khandai tarik unok pra arajar pusau banjet penthmai yaki dukot ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission MHRC na ka jingkut no ka samoy Treikam ka kong Bafindalin Giri ka basan Snem. Hakani kejia lang ke kong Bafindalin Giri kala syak penjalan biang yak samoy Treikam hadian kejing bishar punya Nagarta bagi jing Treikam da ka selection committee ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission MHRC. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor Menteri Rangba ulaong baga samoy Treikam ke kong Bafindalin kala kut no Hagarta ban rup nyaw Snem jongka bat namar baka an ka dangsya bakan trei hadu nyaw pau Snem ki Menteri Sarkar kila ibet ban penjalan biang yak samoy Treikam ke kong Bafindalin Giri.
Tenure of the member judicial of the members of the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission was over. Srimati B. Giri was the member judicial. She was appointed for 5 years. She is 61 as of 67 in terms of age, and as the rules allow her to continue till 70, we had decided that we will reappoint her as the member judicial, and so the decision was made that Srimati B. Giri will continue as a member and reappointed as a member judicial in the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batai kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka batau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.